Hey everyone, Kim from Sun here, and welcome to Decisions Made Easy. Not only easy, but I'm going to show you how to make decisions easily and fast. One of the biggest things you can do as a leader, whether you're leading a big company or a little company, or even if you're leading a household, is to come up with a way to make big decisions, medium decisions, small decisions fast, make good decisions, and get on with the program. Whether it's business or life, not making a decision can be worse than making the wrong decision. Why you want to stick around is we're going to give you 2 foolproof methods for making any kind of decision fast, and you're going to get a bonus tip. I really want you to pay attention to this part. It's so important. We're going to stick it on the screen and I'm going to say it super slow. Unsuccessful people make decisions slowly, they change their minds often, or they don't make any decisions at all. Most of the time, they don't even get a chance to act because they're always being acted upon. Trust me, you don't want to be that person. Second thing, successful people make decisions fast as soon as they've gone through their decision-making process and they have all the information they need to make that decision. And they change their minds slowly, if at all. So we are going to talk about the first of 2 methods we're going to teach you about making decisions. Okay, let's get into the pro-con contingency method. 5 steps. Step number 1, identify the choices. What I want you to do is outline all the different options that you see, all the options you're considering. Step number 2, list the pros and cons. It's pretty basic. You've done that before, but do you do it all the time? No, it makes common sense, doesn't it? Common sense is not common practice. Okay. Step number 3, add contingencies for the cons. Here's what I mean by contingency plan. If you haven't done this before, you've got a con, say you think, hey, I know we should hire an extra salesperson. We can't quite keep them busy, and maybe that's a con. So the contingency to that would be, you know what? If we can't keep him busy, we'll put him in customer service because he's got a really good servant's attitude, something like that. Step number 4, evaluate. Essentially, all you're going to do here is weigh the pros, the cons, the contingencies for each option. Step number 5, decision and implementation. You're going to choose the option that has the most favorable pros and the most manageable cons based on your evaluation, and you're going to implement your decision using the contingencies to address any hurdles that pop up. Okay, so I hope you like that one. You're going to like the next one. It really is used by the world's most successful leaders. It's called the 2-option forced choice method, and there's only 3 steps. Step number 1, reduce your choices to 2 clear options. Step number 2, assign option A to heads, option B to tails, and then flip a coin. Really, I'm not joking here. This works. I haven't given you the twist yet. When that coin is up in the air, what's your gut telling you? Do you want it to be heads or do you want it to be tails? That is the beautiful, intuitive genius behind this method, because that's going to tell you your true preference. And again, this method works really well with the first method. I hope you're finding this helpful. Keep watching because I'm going to give you one more tip that's going to make you a decision-making legend. And this point is the power of deadlines. What you're going to do is you're going to use time constraints to your advantage. Deadlines are going to force you to avoid analysis paralysis. We've all been there.
Give me another day. Let's decide on Monday. Let's decide next month.
Remember, unsuccessful people make decisions slowly. Successful people, again, gather the information they need, only the information they need, and they make a decision. Okay, I hope you're still tracking with me. This next part is the magic elixir for making decisions. And guess what? It's actually making decisions, which brings us to our challenge for this video. What I want you to do is for the next week, try to make 3 decisions using the methods we've talked about. Our discussion here reminds me of a really good quote. In any moment of decision, the best thing you can do is the right thing, the next best thing is the wrong thing, and the worst thing you can do is nothing. So if I wasn't clear with something today, please ask me a question in the comments. I'll get back to you right away. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check out the description. So let's make some better decisions and chase our dreams together. See you in the next video.